Here are the latest updates for the new Tomica release from September to November. For this month, we have the number 100 Toyota Camry Sports, which will be released very soon. The number 114 Toyota Century, with first color release in silver, will be released alongside with the Toyota Camry Sports. For long Tomica, this will be a very interesting one. It's a livestock transporter. A few features for this transporter: it has the detachable hood, the movable slope for you to unload the cattle. What most interesting is the transporter comes with 8 loose cattle in black and white, which you can have a lot of fun. For Toys R Us exclusive, we have the Subaru BRZ. You can see the very nice paint job here, I think it's cool. And also the Aeon exclusive, number 46 Lamborghini Murcielago, American type police. I'm not really sure if the American police has the Lamborghini Murcielago, but this casting is definitely very cool. For October, we have the number 75 Suzuki Special Gear, and also the number 103 Misoka Rockstar with first color release. For Tomica Premium, again, it's a cool release. We have the Ferrari F40 with the opening engine hood, and also the number 32 VW Type 1 in yellow without any opening parts. For every 2 months, Tomica will be releasing a new casting for the Warlords collection. I have been buying this casting, so when all 6 are finally released, I will do a special feature for this series. For Tomica shop, we have the Mazda Rx-7. We have already a couple on the Dream Tomica for the Initial D model. This time round is without the Red Suns logo, and is limited only to 1 casting per purchase at the Tomica retail outlets in Japan and also online. For the flag car series, this time we have the New Zealand flag that is printed on the Toyota 2000 GT. This is one release I'm very excited about, the Tomica Premium Fair Lady Z 50th Anniversary Collection. It features the nostalgic Fair Lady Z, the current Fair Lady Z Nismo, and also the 50th Anniversary version. For November, we have the number 39 Mitsubishi Delica, and here comes the star, the number 70 Lamborghini Aventador Svu. This is a very awesome casting, I really like it. From the photos, the windows are very dark, and many of you has been asking, is there an interior? My answer will be yes. Apart from the Tomica 4D series, I still haven't seen a Tomica without an interior. For body color, I think both are awesome for the mainline and the first color release. And what impresses me most is the headlights. I'm not very sure if this will be a separate component or if this is a clear plastic insert with printed livery, but I'm happy that it's definitely not painted in a single color. This Lamborghini Aventador Svu may be my most favorite mainline for 2019. More casting will be added for the November release. And if you like this video, remember to share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!